Hello once again, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one last exercise, and this is arms and legs exercise. Let's do it. Yeah. Kaya arms kasi mo, need ng energy dito sa arms. So, yan lang. Then, down, butt out, raise your butt, down, raise it, down, raise, down. Yan lang guys, ulit-ulitin mo. Pero ito guys, hindi ko siya araw-araw na ginagawa. Kasi, nadi-discolored yung skin sa siko ko. Ayokong maitim ang siko ko. Na parang kinakalyo. So, yan. Yan. Ulit-ulitin mo lang. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tingnan ko kung hindi pala ako makakontent kayo guys. Kasi baka may mga bisita dito ngayon kasi Sunday ngayon eh. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.